TradingView is a powerful, web-based charting platform and social network used by millions of traders and investors around the world to analyze markets, share trading ideas, and make informed decisions across stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. Known for its sleek user interface and versatile charting tools, TradingView offers both beginner-friendly features and advanced functionalities that cater to professional traders. At its core, TradingView stands out due to its customizable charts, hundreds of built-in technical indicators, and its unique scripting language called Pine Script, which allows users to create and automate custom indicators and strategies. Users can switch between multiple chart types such as candlestick, line, Heikin-Ashi, and Renko, and apply a variety of technical studies, including RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, and volume profile tools. One of the platform's strongest features is its real-time market data, which is available for a wide range of exchanges and asset classes, along with delayed data for others, depending on the user's subscription level. TradingView also promotes social learning through its active community, where traders can publish and discuss trade setups, predictions, and technical analysis ideas publicly or privately. This helps users gain insights into market sentiment, validate their strategies, and learn from more experienced traders. The platform supports alerts on price movements, technical conditions, or custom scripts, which can be delivered via app notifications, email, or SMS, making it highly convenient for traders who want to stay updated without being glued to the screen. Moreover, TradingView integrates with popular brokers, allowing users to execute trades directly from the charts without switching platforms. Whether you are a day trader looking for fast execution and detailed intraday analysis, or a long-term investor who prefers to study trends and fundamental charts over weeks and months, TradingView offers the flexibility to suit diverse trading styles. Its mobile app also provides full access to charts and tools, ensuring that users can monitor and analyze markets on the go. The platform offers various subscription plans, from free access with limited features to advanced pro plans that unlock more charts per layout, more indicators, faster data, and extended trading hours. Overall, TradingView is more than just a charting tool. It's a dynamic ecosystem for analysis, collaboration, and decision-making, enabling users to visualize the markets with clarity and confidence. For anyone serious about improving their trading skills, backtesting strategies, or simply staying ahead of the markets with cutting-edge charting and a connected trading community, TradingView remains an indispensable part of the modern trader's toolkit.